pala si Yang Channel. Ngayon pala maglaro tayong ulit ng GTA San Andreas, no? Yan dito ang
We're inventing hip-hop. Well, I wasn't, but these guys were.
yan.
These guys were.
Ito lang ngayon, pupunta tayo dito. Kumakain ako dito. Nagalitan ako kasi nenay, kaya pinost ko to.
Choose from aspiring range.
Salad. Magkano ba?
We're out of napkins.
Kaya na boss. Ingatan natin yan, boy.
Give up the money. It's a raid.
Ryder, not this again.
It ain't me, fool.
No one else is that small. I feel sorry for your dad.
Shit, you crazy. Let's get up out of here. Same old CJ. Buster. Straight Buster.
Tangina mo kaya na yan.
Run.
Pero ang shotgun yung kalaban, oh. Tignan mo
This
naman.
pizza parlor's
Bobo
no
ka kasi.
pushover.
Sige, beso mo, gago ka. Inutil ka pala eh.
What you waiting for, fool?
Sige, takbo.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Tangina mo ka. Straight bus tabla tol eh. Igagi dito pala guys. Ibisin natin. Kuha tayo ng respeto dito guys. Tapos ang mission nito, pag nakuha na natin yung lahat ng maps, pwede na natin mag-explore. Pwede na tayo mag-explore. Tignan mo naman yung grip guys.
Better drop by and see Sweet. He's been yapping on about that graffiti too. Later, home.
Oh boys, thank you boy. Kita tayo ng color dito guys. Burger shot. Sige boy. Respect plus respect. Dito guys. Ay, hindi gagamitin natin ito. Kuha tayo ng motor guys. Parang roleplay lang ito. Dito tayo, dito tayo lalabay. Papasok tayo dun. Kukuha tayo ng motor. Gagi. Mabangga pa talaga. Uy, gagi ka. Ito guys, Yung guys, ano tayo guys. Wait lang. Dito na tayo guys. Wait lang. Dito tayo guys. Uy, gagay, pwede ba tayo dito? Bawal. Uy, dito meron pa lang ito eh. Wait lang. Dito muna eh. Alam ko nga dito nga boy oh. Igagi! Ito guys. Dito meron pa to. Wala tayong spray. Wala. Yung tatlong pagamitin yun eh. Uy, kagi. Nandaan lang. Baka mabangga tayo dito. Dito yun guys. Na. Ito na. Igogi. Bosog na yung gago ka. Nagigil ako sa mga tao. Uy, gabi. Maraming baril din eh. Katandaan yan. Gusto kong umuwi sa bahay ko. Sabi yung bahay ko dito. Lahat lang. Uy, gago! Gaging lakas. Dito na ako. Huwag natin ito gagamitin. Ano na, nilalagay tayo. Parang gagamitin mo dito, boy. Tol, dito ako, tol.
Suck on my nine,
Huwag
baller.
ka, tol. Huwag kang tatakbo, tol. Uy, gago ka. Dito ka, gago.
Ballers gonna try to find.
Nampapatay niyo yan. Ito nyo. Sige. Ito nyo, gago ka.
Put you on ice.
Sige, tol. Ito, tol. Ay, gagi. Pwede pa natin yung babalik ko. Ay, di. Wag dyan. Tol. Dyan, tol. Dito, tol. Wala pa tayo respect, guys. Asan mo yung bahay natin? Ay, dito pala. Dito pa. Ay, gagi, wag dito. Kunin natin yung ano dito.
Give me a dap.
Dito guys, oh. Kukunin natin yung spray dito guys. Para ano. Mas maganda pa. Hindi yan. Gago, hindi yan. Yung spray. Saan ba yung spray dito? Wala spray dito. Saan ba dito? Wala. Mas maganda yung isa ko dun guys eh. Wait lang. Mas magandang bibili ng ano tayo ngayon. Asan ba bibili ng ano mga green? Sweet barbers, property for sale, tattoo, clocking bell, burger shot, player possession, and sweet target. A player target and sweet race. Kailangan natin na hanapin yung ano. Kailangan ko ng kasama, tol. Saan kasama ng tol? Ikaw. Ikaw, tol.
I'm gonna put in some work.
Hey,
yeah?
this is
Yeah,
soggy
it's
endo.
good,
I
bro.
love my hood, CJ.
Dito,
I'm
boy.
dead.
Ano nagusin mo? Tatakbo na ako, bahala ka dyan. Dito na. Uy, tanga ako.
Don't make stop the landmark.
mga bariling gago ka.
Get us out of here, CJ.
Wala, tingnan mo naman. Ano dito yung ano?
Come on, full day, Corp.
Wala dito guys eh. Doon yata yan sa city guys. Saan ba dito? Oh wait lang. Clockenbell. Dito yata guys. Dito yun. Tingnan natin. Kaya natin guys, baka meron nga talaga. O pagkain yun. Pagkain. Wala talaga guys. Sa tato, sa tato dito. So dito, papunta dyan. So dito ako ngayon. Babalik ako sa ano dito. And doon. Okay guys, salam ko na guys. Dito ba? Dito yata. Ay, gabi. Nagpas na kami guys. Dito guys. Hindi dyan. Hindi dyan sa tato. Makasamang tato dito. Nagpas na kami natin.
Raise up, CJ.
Libre mo. Yung tato dito ba talaga? Dito guys, dito. Huwag kang babaril dyan, dito yung ano. Ito yung tato guys.
We done, homie. Get us out of here.
Hair facials.
Hey, yo, thanks.
Dito,
Kick back, little
tato
homie.
dito.
Man, come in and sit down.
Dito, okay lang.
Yo, what ink you want, dude?
Lower back. Sige. Angel.
Dude,
Sige.
this looks fresh, man.
Uy, shit. Ang ganda, boy. Oh, sige.
Man, this looks cool.
And asan pa mas maganda dito? Sa chest. Right chest. And Los Santos. Dito guys,
Just
mas
chill,
maganda to.
man.
Yan. Bilhin natin yan. And sa dito. Sige
You're
guys.
wearing art now, man.
Hey boy. Na. Tignan mo naman. Ay, gagawin mo naman makita. Yan. Asan mo talaga? Hindi natin makikita eh. Hindi natin basta-basta makikita yun. Hindi talaga guys. Asan ba talaga guys? Sa dito yata may burger. Malayo pa talaga yun. Dito na.
It's all good now. Get us out of here.
Huwag mo nang ba rin patay pa tayo dito eh.
Gotta focus here slower, homie.
Dito guys.
Bill, for one time call.
Dapat yung gagawin natin. Dito yun oh. Ay, wait lang ako. Baka dito. Dito yata yun.
You need a man like
like me. A
Angie,
true entertainer, a
baliktad.
musician, a singer, a great dancer. I can do it all. I make dogs out of balloons, baby.
Dito yata guys eh. Lagyan nyo lang sa comment kung asan ba talaga.
It's time to get into me.
Hindi ko
I'm into
makikita.
you, babe. SWV in the
Watch itong
house.
full video na ito.
See you, girl. Go ahead now.
Ay balik. Ay balik. Ay baliktad na naman.
Listen my patience, you.
Dito na. Diba? Alam nyo ba yan guys? Diba yung sa comment section yung tama kayo? Feeling ko dito yun eh. Feeling ko yun. Hindi ko lang nakikita. Hindi ko lang nakikita ko yun. Wala na ako. Eh.
Hang on tight.
Sabi mo to. Yan, natin ito. Sabi mo talaga to. Sabi mo naman. Wala talaga guys eh. Dito yun o. Dito yun. Ayan o, ayan o. Ayan, dito yun guys. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung sakto talaga. Ano to?
Looking good, bro. Thanks, guys.
Dito boy. Lang. Ano ba talaga gagawin dito? Wala lang. Akala ko talaga ito na. Man to, pigil talaga.
Easy.
Hindi ko talaga alam kung saan talaga yan
Fix
guys.
me, asshole.
Pag alam ko na to. Talaga. Maganda yung mukha dito guys. Ano talaga? Good lang. Kasi ito yung sweet. Yung magandang sasakyan dito guys. Ito guys.
Get out of the way.
Pasok ka.
Where the hell do you think you're going? Why are you Shake town. We're making them into the top.
I got a special on T. Love you, Julio G. Can I have a piece?
Paano ba ma-off yung ano guys? Ito yung makikita ko yun. Nakikita ko yung papatay yun. Awaman ko yun. Uy, gagi na bangga. Balik.
Raise up, CJ.
Wala na akong bala.
Gotta trip that motherfucker. Hey, what is this slide for, killer? Raise up, dude. I got your back.
Gagi na moto yung kasama ko. Wala ka niya. Gago tayo. Dami na guys. Kailangan natin yung mga kasama natin doon. Mga full na talaga yun guys.
Hey.
Dito yung GTA San Andres ko kapag subscribe kayo sa akin. Dito guys. Dami sila dun. Wala pa akong sama. Isa lang yung oy. Hindi naman sila. Mamaya ko naman yung papatayin. Marami silang kasama. Meron pang pulis kapag papatayin ko yun. Nakabulin ako ng pulis. Tapos ko naman mission ko kay Sweet guys. Yung magaganda oh. Hey baby girl.
Tsutsuboki, you've been marked by the devils. I'm asking nicely. Go away.
Tangina mo ka. Ngayon ka.
Take it easy on
Ayan ka.
yourself.
Uy, gagi may baril. Tangina mo ka. Uy, patay. Tangina mo. Wala. Tangina. Wala na. Patay na. Gagi may baril pa ako. Sana di ko na ngayon. May baril pala, guys. Gagi naman yun. Dito na lang atin yun. Think
You want a
guys.
beating as well?
Gagi. Nakita kang video dito. Kung na-enjoy kayo guys, subscribe na kayo. Dito, babalik ulit tayo kay Sweet. Dito. Gagi! Ang service natin. Nangiya kayo, papatay kayo sa akin. Dito kayo sa base namin ha. Patayin kayo sa akin, boy. Sige, kayo, balas kayo. Dito kayo sa base namin, Grove Street Tol. Grove Street Tol.
you're so
Ito
calm.
guys. Ito na guys, patayin sila guys. Wala na sila dito guys.
Am I invisible?
Dito ka sa akin. Dito ka sa akin, oh. Bagang. Uy, gaga may pera
Give me
siya.
that.
Tingnan lang. Okay, tumakbo na siya guys. Dito. Uy, gaga tumatakbo kayo ka. Girl, wag kang tatakbo, girl. Dito ka lang. Gaga, minamilit ko dito guys. Wala na ba yan? Glitch yata yan eh. Ang pipicture natin yan. Wag. Dito tapos malayo.
Shouldn't
Ayun.
have eaten that taco.
Lang. Mas magandang papatayin to eh.
Toe,
Na-enjoy ko
Slow
guys.
down, young blood. Know what this is, huh?
Dito ka gago.
Yeah.
Gago ka.
Don't blame me. Blame yourself.
Don't blame me. Blame you, slave. Kuyakin ka lang, girl. Tumatakbo ka pa lang. Babalik na ako.
Come on, fat boy. Watch out. Come on, fat boy. Watch this. Fat boy, look at. Look who's here. It's running man. What you think you... Hey, wait up.
Thought you'd hang with your brother, huh?
Oh, ease up.
Bibigyan tayo ng ng spray. Papapatan natin.
All I've eaten for the last 10 years has been the phone. And when I go to the bathroom, guess what I do? I do the phone. Do the phone, y'all.
Dito natin nalagay guys. Meron ba ditong park? Lang. Dito.
Watch for those rollers as I tag this up. There's another 2 baller tags in the hood.
Boy, sige boy.
Go
Salamat
get them,
boy.
and I'll keep the engine running.
Dito. Yan. Dito. Yun. Boy, may balas dito guys.
You want a hole in you, huh?
Dito ka sa akin. Patay kayo sa akin.
You need this now.
Gagi, baril. Gago ka, wag ako.
That's all you got?
Wag ako, boy. Magbabalintong sa'yo, boy. Tandaan mo, boy. Bata ka pa, boy. Dito sa likod. Biglang nga ginatrap ako, eh. Dito yan, oh. Ayan. Dito. Ito na yan guys, oh. Ayan, pupunta tayo sa sweet car. Babalik tayo dun guys. Gagi, kanina pa ba talaga yan? Ito yan, oh.
Come on, let's cruise in the baller's territory.
Balik. Ayan ang gagawin mo dun sa bala territory. Dito na yun, oh. Yun.
You hit this up here, and I'll go up and do another hood.
Bali dito, boy. Dito na lang yung ulit. Wala akong pakipapatayin ko yan.
What the fuck?
Ibisan natin. Ski, gago ka. Yun ang pulis. Dito ka, boy. Dito na yung pulis, oh. Huwag natin yung pansinin. Dito na yung uli, guys. Tapos na yung mission. Dito. Yun, oh. Okay.
Huh, quick, get in!
Boy. Sige, bilisan nyo. Wala akong kasama dito.
Get us back to the hood, CJ.
Alam ko, boy. Lahat lang, sorry. Gagi, big barilan. Op.
Like riding bike, ain't it, boy?
Yeah, it all comes back.
How you doing on the Fetty?
I'm kind of shocked, you know. Crash took all my paper, man. Left me with nothing but small change.
Here, get yourself a beer or something. I'll catch up with you.
Hook up with you. Wait lang. Wala pa rin, guys. Ulit. Balik.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell gay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang title.
Oh, no. What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ? What's crack? Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock the homies' hustle.
These are mark-faced soldiers. They idiots trying to be business.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the bars are sweating the homies.
Yun na, boy.
They beat
Wala
up
akong
us only
paki.
a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Listen.
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the families ain't up on it.
Huwag ka puro sabi dyan.
Sweet, and you know yours truly. Grove Street
Op!
don't bang no more.
Bangga.
Blow.
For sure.
Uy, gagi.
Hey, slow
Parang
down, fool.
smooth to
You
lang.
don't even know what store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up. You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up. Who the fuck is it? CJ. Fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here. Wait, hold up, man. What happened to for life, nigga? The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here for you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a
Gogi,
fuck about
parang
is
monkey ang
fucking
mukha ni Big Bear.
that right, Big Bear? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, what? Hell yeah, sir. Let's go make that motherfucking toilet spark. No, man.
Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Lawat lang.
Stay the fuck from around here.
Pusin lang natin to guys.
Cruise through the hood and find us somebody
Dito. Crack dealer. Ibang crack dealer. Kita ko na yun eh. Kasama nila yung isa natin kasama dun. Kaya ko papatin yun. Ang buhay sa akin yun. Oh, yan yun. Ano ba yun?
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling them one of the homies.
Oh, miss talaga boy.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog? Dog, I got quality
Sige,
shit right
gago
here.
ka. Uy, gagi.
Blame you for this shit.
Tapos na boy, tapos na boy.
Man, I know right there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Patay.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Napasok na boy. Pasok na. Sige boy.
Don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are
You
pussy.
wanna get bust on?
Ano ba yan?
Wait. Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Gonna smile
Yeah,
away.
let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Ito dito. Dito boy.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Fuck them Grove Street fools. Grove Street go.
Boy, dami nila.
Into these
Ano boy?
motherfuckers.
Tingin mo boy, patay mo boy.
Hey, man, back off.
Uy, gagi ka.
Man, I'ma get
Sige, boy, patay na ako boy. Sige na, patay mo, gago ka.
wedges.
Sige na, takbo na sa boy.
Don't block me, homie.
Gago ka, maliit na yung life ko. Mabuti na lang. Survive ako doon, tol. Tignan mo naman yung life ko. Liit. Uy, shit! Police! Tignan mo. Tangin na mo ka. Buti na lang.
Change.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
I want the gang later.
Buti na lang. Di pa ako nahuli doon ah. Muntik na lang ako mahuli tol ah.
Now that the base ain't getting
Now the
pushed
bitch
up,
ain't getting push off the bases.
up with some real bang.
Aboy, yan lang boy.
Bo's gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Balik. Balik ulit.
Excited what you riding? Respect has to be earned.
Drive through, bilisan nyo na lang. Ayoko ng ano. Ayoko ng intro. Mamamatay na ako. Mamamatay na ako tol. Locking bell.
We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about
Uy,
it.
tangin na! Ano ba yan?
You know that. You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared.
Some people say they saw a green saber doing the work, then speeding away.
Yeah, but people like to talk, don't they? Anyway, that's half the Santos you talking about.
Dapat mahina lang natin ano dun. Wait lang.
Eat to keep your strength up, man.
Hey, I'll take a number 9. Fat boy.
Fat boy. Gago ka tol. Ginin. Patay mo. Sige.
Why you ain't blasting, Smoke?
I'll beat him a little dutty.
Quit stuffing your motherfucking mouth.
Sige, gago ka.
Stop it, homie.
Bili na naman nila tol.
Hey, kill the asshole. Shit, this is great sandwich.
Smoke, stop stuffing your face and start
Ibisin mo.
I'm trying to get him. I'm gonna get you ready. Let's go kill the silent to our death. Now come on, Smoke. Shoot. Hey, I'm just finishing my fry. Stay out of here, CJ. My special.
Sige, sabugin mo yan tol.
Now over the seat. The business at hand, motherfucker. The business at hand. But these
Sino yun? Gago, doon sa malayo, tol. Ayoko nang papaawat. Dito pa rin ako.
CJ, you asshole.
Sige ka.
Watch the damn road. Chill, motherfucker. This ain't a Sunday
Sige, wala na akong bala, tol.
My soda. It's all over the fucking floor. Well, you can suck it up once
Sige, sige, pti mo.
your eye on the baller car.
Sasabog na yan, tol. Sige, sasabog na yan. Sige, sasabugin mo, sabugin mo. Kill the balls gang members, boy.
Speed up a little. We're sitting.
Sige na, wala na, patay na sila, boy. Tangina, kapatay ka na. Go back to sweet house. Dito siya na punta, eh.
Yeah, man. Those baller fools won't try to.
Tangina mo, yung isa nating member na matay. Dabangga natin, tol.
Eat my damn food up. Yeah, it was getting cold. Y'all coming in for a beer?
Nah, baby. I need to get back to the crib. CJ, give me a ride.
CJ, give me a ride.
Wrecking from London Island.
Papuntahan mo ko doon sa bahay niya dahil gusto niyong mag-usap ng balas, tol.
Everybody else is losing theirs and blaming
Huwag ako, tol. Alam mo yung galaw mo.
Nothing. Just some poor.
Huwag ako, tol. Sabihin na kita, tol.
Tell me why you moved out the Grove. Man, got some money from my aunt. I mean, it's a nice place and all. The Grove is in my heart, baby.
Yun na, tol.
It's what my dogs is at. Yeah, okay, homie. Hey, thanks, Carl.
Sige guys, salamat sa panonood guys. At kung na-enjoy kayo sa video na to, subscribe na rin kayo, like and share, and don't forget to click the bell para updated kayo sa latest videos ko. Kung na-enjoy kayo, sige na po. Salamat sa panonood. Bye!